Okay, the ingredient today, what we have is we have the sweet kale salad mix. We have the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, a bowl of chicken breast, avocado. Do you know what is this? Can anybody tell me what is this? Yeah, this is a dragon fruit. And then we have some
sunflower seed and cranberry. Okay, let's start. Hi kids, how are you guys doing? You guys just saw all my ingredients today. I want to make a healthy salad. And first of all, we have to put some veggie into the bowl. You can put whatever veggie you want. And today I use sweet kale. The kale is very good for your body. I think like your mom and dad and your family will love it too. Okay, we just put like, okay, and then we put some veggie in the bowl. Okay, and then actually we should have more veggie too. Okay, more veggie in here. The next one we put some chicken breast. You can use a chicken leg too if you guys like to have a chicken leg, or you can put ham, bacon. That's really up to you guys. Okay, the next one I have is, what is this? Yes. I'll just cut it into square like this. Okay, do you guys see it at all? I just cut it like this, and then when you cut it, okay, ask your parents, ask the others to help you out. Okay, if they cut it some like this, okay, then it is going to into the pieces, okay, and then you just use the fork, okay, and then I will put it into the bowl. Okay, we have I am using the dragon fruit today. It's the same thing. I just cut it into the square, and then this one is so easy. When you open it like this, it is already come out. Okay, you can open this. See, it just come out. It's just so easy to come out. And the dragon fruit is really good too. And if you guys haven't tried it yet, okay, go to the supermarket to buy some. Look at it, it's just so nice. And then we can just mix it like this. We can mix it like this. Okay, and what I need to do is I put some dressing in it. Today I'm using the balsamic vinegar. Okay, if you guys don't like vinegar, you can put like any sauce like Mediterranean, Thousand Island, ranch, any salad dressing, whichever you like it, you can just put it in there. And then, but today I want to use the balsamic vinegar. Just put a little bit, okay, just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. That should be fine. And then I want to put some olive oil. And I put some olive oil in it. Okay, olive oil is really good for the heart. Okay, your mom and dad, your grandpa should have more olive oil. And the last but not the least, okay, and we put some sunflower seed, and then we also put some. You can put some any like nuts in it too if you have no problem with the nuts. But if you have a problem with the nuts, or your family have allergic of the peanut or nuts, then don't put the nuts in it. Okay, don't put it in it. But if it's okay, then you can just put the nuts, put some seed in it, and then the healthy salad is done. Okay, the healthy salad is done.
Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say that again. Rejoice. Philippians 4:4.